Yes.
Open it. Open it. Let's play a game.
I'm opening it.
Open.
Yes.
I will write. Yes. I will write the names of some modes of transport. Arrange them in the order of speed. Which one has lowest speed will come first. Which one has highest speed will come last. Arrange them in the order of speed. Come on.
First one is bicycle.
Write it down. Come on, write it down.
Ma'am, do I have to write it?
You don't want to write it? Okay, tell me. First one is?
Ma'am, can I write it?
Sure, go ahead.
That write in the chat box, ma'am. Chat box. Y C L E.
The answer is wrong. The lowest speed is legs.
Where is legs, ma'am?
Can't you see? Come on. Read all the 5 options first.
Legs, plane, train,
Yes.
car, bicycle.
Yes. Now, which one is the lowest speed?
First is leg,
Yes. Next.
bicycle.
Yes.
Then there are 3 options left. Plane, train, car.
Plane. Yes. So legs, bicycle, then
Plane.
plane has the highest speed.
So even train goes fast.
The lowest speed is legs. Then it is bicycle. Then it is car. Then it is train.
Then
Last airplane. Arrange in the order of size. From the lowest size. Arrange in the order of size. From lowest size to highest size. Read the options first. Read the options first.
Cat, lion, cat, elephant. Elephant, what is this?
Now,
Mosquito.
which one has the lowest size? Which one has the lowest size?
The last one. Mosquito.
Now arrange in the order. Arrange from the lowest size to the highest size. Come on. First is mosquito. Machhar. Mosquito. Next.
Cat.
Next.
Lion.
Next.
Elephant.
Now arrange in the order of speed. Which one has the highest speed and which one has the lowest speed?
So, ma'am, for who runs fast will be first.
Who runs the lowest speed will be first. Who runs the highest speed? Okay, let's do it your way. Which one is the highest? Put it first.
Running.
Read
jogging.
the options, yes.
Running, walking, jogging. So, first.
Which
is very fast.
Which one is which one is fast?
Running and jogging
Okay.
last.
After running?
After running is jogging.
Then?
Walking last.
Whichever word describes the highest size, it should come first. Whichever word describes the lowest size, it should come last.
Okay.
Read the options.
Huge, fast, small, minute. So, which is very big? Fast. First. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Minute is also pronounced as minute when it comes to size. Minute is extremely small.
So
For
first,
example, yes, go ahead, tell me.
what were you telling, ma'am?
Minute is a word which defines size. It's the smallest size. Yes, come on, now tell.
Huge, fast.
Vast.
What does vast means?
Vast means big, is another word for huge. Huge and vast mean the same thing.
Huge, vast, small, and minute.
Minute. Say minute.
Minute.
I will write some words. Which one is the odd one out and why? Read the words.
Mother, teacher, let, banker.
Which one is the odd one out and why?
I think the banker.
Wrong. Try again. Come on.
Mother.
Why? Good. Why? Give me the reason.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Come on. Why? All